Okay, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the construction and working of synchronous generators. The synchronous generator is also called as AC generators, or one more name is alternator. So actually the generator is it's convert to mechanical energy to electrical energy. Okay. So now the synchronous generator is a AC generator. Okay, which means that generates AC EMF are called as synchronous generator or AC generator. It's also called as alternator. An alternator can be run as a motor. They also called as synchronous motor. Both these machines, alternator and synchronous motors, work at specific constant speed. This speed is also called as synchronous speed. Synchronous speed is means what the formula for synchronous speed is 120 into F by P. Okay, and these two missions are also called as synchronous missions. Okay, an alternator is an electrical missions which convert to mechanical energy that electrical energy alternating the electrical energy. They're also known as synchronous generator. Okay, the synchronous generator, one more name is AC generator, or one more name is alternator. Okay, this is a circuit diagram of construction of alternator. Okay, this is a starter, and this is called as a soft. These are poles, and this is called as a rotor. And okay, this is a one more diagram of construction of AC alternator. This is a prime mover, and this is called as a field. This is called as a end cover frame. This is called as a armature. This is called as a brushes bearings. Okay, the details construction of an alternator. The supply three-phase supply is given to the starter winding, and the DC supply is given to the rotor winding, and this is a starter field winding. This is called as a slip ring. The construction of alternator. The construction of the construction of alternator. In an alternator, the field winding. Okay, the field winding are placed in the rotor, and the armature winding is placed in the suitable shaped slots for the slot in the starter. The field winding is connected to the external DC sources. This field winding is connected in a external DC sources. It's called as a exciter. There is a pair of slip ring as shown in the this figure. Okay, this is a field coil. This is a armature winding. This is a prime mover. Okay, the armature winding is a three-phase winding, and induced voltage in this winding is supplied to the load. This is a three-phase of AC voltage. This is called as three-phase AC voltage. When the excited rotor rotates, the magnetic field cuts the stationary starter conductor. As a result of which three-phase AC voltage get induced in the armature winding. Okay, this next one is the main important part of the alternator is starter and rotor. The starter is a stationary part. This is what is called the stationary part of the alternator, and it contains three-phase armature winding. This is called as a starter core. The starter core is a built up a silicon steel lamination and reduce the eddy current losses. Okay, there are two losses, three mechanical losses and core and copper core loss, mechanical losses and core losses, and the next one is copper losses. The core losses how to reduce the core losses is by using the silicon steel laminations, and the laminations are covered with the slots and enough and they are packed tightly together by cast iron frame. The open slots are used along the easy installation of the slotter, and coils and easy removal in case of repair. The coils are insulated before inserting the slots, are further protected by fiber. And three-phase winding are placed in these slots and serve the armature winding of the alternator. Armature winding are always connected in the star, and neutral is connected to the ground. The next part of the alternator is rotor. The rotor is a rotating part of the alternator. It carries the field winding, which is supplied with the DC current through the two slip rings by a separate DC source. This DC source is generally small DC generator mounted on the shaft of the alternator. There are two types of rotors. The first one is silent pole rotor. The second one is non-silent pole rotor. The silent pole rotor means the silent means a sticking out or projected out. Okay, a silent pole, magnetic pole. This is a project out of the rotor surface. Okay, the silent pole alternator or slow speed mission. The speed varying from 150. Okay, and the silent type of rotor has a large diameter. This is a large diameter and small length and low speed. Okay, the diameter usually between 3 to 15 meters. And the silent type rotor has a non-uniform air gap, two or four poles. Okay, and this is a low and medium alternators, speed alternators. Okay, the silent pole is excuse in Indian losses if they run high speed and turn the produce to noise. So the silent pole construction cannot be made strong, with stand of mechanical resistors at the higher speed. The second one is non-silent pole. Okay, non-silent pole. This is a single turn alternator to generate the sine wave. Okay, okay. Non-silent pole is non-projecting surface. Non-silent pole rotor is small diameter, is larger length, and high-speed alternators. Non-silent pole rotors have a four or more number of poles. The next one is working principle operation of synchronous generator. Okay, the synchronous, this is a construction of single turn alternator to generate the sine wave. Okay, the alternator consists of permanent magnetic. These two are permanent magnetic in north pole and south pole with the two poles, north pole and south pole, and single turn rectangular coil. This is a rectangular coil which is made of two conductors and P. These are two made conductors P and Q. Okay, these conductors are connected to each other and one end, whereas the other hand are connected to the slip rings mounted on shaft. Okay, the single turn coil can rotate around its own axis clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. The flux produced by the two permanent magnetic. Due to the rotation, the conductor P and Q cut the magnetic lines of the flux produced by the permanent magnetic. Okay, according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic, EMF induced in the rotating conduction. The Faraday's laws of electromagnetic index means whenever current carrying conductor cuts the magnetic field, the EMF is induced. Due to this EMF is induced, the current flow through the external resistance is R. The induced EMF, the single turn coil E equal to BLV sin theta. Okay, and the single turn alternator produces the sinusoidal voltage. And the working principle operation of alternator is very simply. It is just basic principle of DC generator. It is also depend upon the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, which says the current is induced in the current's conductor inside in the magnetic field, where the relative motion between the conductor and magnetic field. When the rotor is rotates, the starter conductor and cuts by the magnetic flux, hence they have induced EMF induced in them. The magnetic flows are alternated north pole and south pole. The induced EMF and hence the current in the armature conductors, which first flow in a direction, and the other direction is the alternating EMF produced in the starter conductor, whose frequency depends upon the number of north pole and south pole moving the part of the conductor. One second, and whose direction given by the Clemmie right hand rule. What is the difference between the silent pole rotor and non-silent pole rotor is the poles are projecting out from the surface. These are the force is non-projecting. The air group is non-uniform. This is a uniform. A large diameter. This is a small diameter. This is a low speed and low and medium speed alternator. This is a high speed alternator. The field winding is a concentrated winding and a distributed winding. The mechanically weak, very high. In the prime mover, it is over to the turbines and IC generator. The prime mover is to the steam turbines and electrical motors. What are the applications of synchronous generator? The synchronous generator applications of hydroelectric power generation, steam power stations and windmills and all automobiles and nuclear power plants. Okay, thank you.